Hi, and welcome to 4th grade Alabama History. This course is in Canvas, and we're going to do a short walkthrough that will briefly explain how to navigate and the different features of the course. When you enter the course, you will see this landing page with the 15 different modules in the orientation. There are also some quick links here that are explaining how to use Canvas and Athens City Schools information, their policies, etc. The first module will be the orientation. Here you'll be given the actual tutorials and the information for the school district, and at the bottom of every page you will see there is a Next button. From here you will see the information for the instructor. Then you're going to come here to the Hello discussion, and you're going to tell your instructor about yourself. Include maybe some of your activities or some of your interests. Then you'll be given the course policies, and then you will be taking an orientation policy quiz over the policies that you've just read about. In this course, we encourage that you take notes. And then the next part we have is a map overview. Information about geography skills, about how to read through the map and understand where you are on the globe. And so we'll be explaining that as well. And then we have a couple accessibility items, and then you can either come here to the module or click next, and that'll take you to the very first module, which is Geography and Environment of Alabama. You'll notice that all of the modules are laid out, and they always start with an introduction, then it comes with a theme, then you have materials and videos, followed by activities and review. Once you complete that, then you go to the next module. This does not use a textbook, this course, so what we've done is we've created these weeklies down here. And if you click on this, you'll be given a weekly to look at. And it explains about Alabama, about the different parks, about some of the geography, about how water is important, and also major cities and the different regions. There's also a video overview that explains that, and then there's also a spotlight per week, and they highlight two important people in Alabama history this week. Helen Keller and George Washington Carver are discussed, and then here you have all your assignments and activities before you go to the next page. Here you've got a pre-quiz, and then you've got vocabulary and study questions for the week. And once you complete those and take notes, then you'll come to the following page. You'll see a PowerPoint here that explains other information. And it gives different flags and symbols, important things like the state bird of Alabama. Read through that. There's also further supplemental material for dealing with maps. And then there are different videos. Here's a video how to read a map and using your mapping skills and an overview of how to use maps. When all of this is completed, then you'll come to the quiz and exam. You'll click here and you'll take your quiz over your notes. And then you'll come to the last page, which is the activity page. And here you've got a Quizlet that will help you study. And then you can submit your study guide that you've been working on, and then hear the answers to that study guide. And then there's always some sort of activity. This week it is an interactive map. And what you'll be doing is you will be looking at North America, and you'll be trying to find Alabama down here, and you'll be zooming in using the different map points. And here's Alabama now. And you're going to have to zoom in until you find your city and take a screenshot. And once you've done that, you'll come back here and you'll submit it. And also here are the directions for that activity and a rubric. So it says, here's what you need to do. You're going to zoom in, you're going to find your house or some different area like a library, and then take a screenshot. Each activity has a rubric. Once you're finished with that, then you'll come to the discussion forum. and then you're going to describe your area and what you found on the map and did you enjoy that. And once you're done with that, then you can come here to the study guide wiki, and area allows you to participate with all of your other classmates in a group activity where you can put some of your notes. It says wiki module 1, module 2, module 3. You will be compiling a study guide for the test and everybody can contribute to it. So there are a couple interactive activities that you and your classmates can do, and that would be this study wiki, the discussion board where you can all share your own opinions, and then some of the other activities. And then you'll go to the next unit, and it's laid out the same way. It gives the competencies weekly and the video of the weekly, and then your assignments for that week. The activity for this week is a little bit different, and when you get to the last page you'll notice it. So your activity for this week is to write an Explorer obituary, and we explain what an obituary is, and then you have to write about either Ponce de Leon, De Soto, or Balboa, and follow the directions which are given here, and look at the rubric to make sure you have all of the points. And once you're finished with that, then you would submit it.